Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jocelyn Ramos, 40 years old of age. I am married and I had two daughters. I am from Philippines. I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 2 months. I wake up in the morning at 7 o'clock to prepare the food, school uniform, school bag of 4 years old baby. I take a bath for 4 years old baby and helping her to wear her school uniform, socks, and shoes. In 6 months old baby, I wash his bottles and also sterilize the bottles to make sure that the bottles of the baby clean and good. I make also his milk, changing his diaper, changing his clothes, and take a bath also the 6 months old baby. I play with them. In household chores, I do cleaning whole house, gardening, washing the dishes, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, car washing, and taking care of pets. I choose Hong Kong to earn money for the future of my family. I am honest, loyal, friendly, trustworthy, and hardworking. I am willing to learn a Hong Kong dishes. Mom and sir, if you choose me, I promise I will do my best and I promise that I will treat your children as my own. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and have a good day.